Hello dear students. In the previous video we worked out first question from exercise 3.1. Today we are going to start with question number 2. Let us see what is the question. How many diagonals does each of the following have? Different figures are given. So if you draw it, it will be easy for you. The first one is a convex quadrilateral. A simple quadrilateral is there. Let us see how many diagonals can you draw. Here, from one point you can draw 1. And from here also you can draw 1. So total how many are there? 2 diagonals are there. So how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Now the second one is a regular hexagon. For this let us see from each point we will see. So here is one diagonal, second, third. So from this point we can draw 3. Now let us see from here 4, 5, 6. Now from this point 1 is already drawn, 7, 8. Now from here 1, 2, here 9. Now see from each point they have got 3. So total how many you can count? Total we have drawn 9. Now here 1, 2, 3. So from here if you draw, no opposite sides, opposite vertices are there. So there is no diagonals. Or you can say there is 0 diagonal for a triangle. Now here if you see the question number 3. What is the sum of measures of the angles of a convex quadrilateral? According to angle sum property, the sum of all the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is how much? 360 degree. Now the next question is, will this property hold if the quadrilateral is not convex? Any quadrilateral, the property will remain same. So yes, it will hold even for concave quadrilateral. Now let us see question number 4. A table is given. You have to examine the table and complete it and then answer what can you say about the sum of the angles of polygons with number of sides as given below. Now you see here, what is this figure? This one, it is a triangle. How many sides are there? 3 sides are there. And then the angle sum of the triangle is 180 degree. That is 3 minus 2 into 180. Here there are 4 sides. So 4 minus 2 into 180, that is 360 degree. Now you see here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. So when 5 sides are there, it should be 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 3 into 180. How much it is 3 into 180? 540 degree. Now here how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So when 6 sides are there, it should be 6 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is, what is 6 minus 2? 4. 4 into 180 is 720 degree. Now you have to find out the sum of angles of polygons with 7 sides. When there are 7 sides, how many it will be? 7 minus 2 into 180. That is 5 into 180. 5 into 180 will be 900. Now, if there are 8 sides, what will be the sum of the angles? So, it will be 8 minus 2 into 180. That is 6 into 180. Let us multiply. 600, 48, 1080 degree. Now here 10 sides. When there are 10 sides, what will be the sum of angle? 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. That is 8 into 180. 800, 8 8s are 64. And 8 1s are 8 plus 6, 40. Now from here we have to find out if there are n sides. N can be any number. Whatever be the side, what we got, see 3, then 3 minus 2 into 180. 4, 4 minus 2 into 180. 5, 5 minus 2 into 180. 6, 6 minus 2 into 180. 7, 7 minus 2 into 180. 8, 8 minus 2 into 180. 10, 10 minus 2. So when there are n sides, then n minus 2 into 180 degree. Now this n minus 2 we cannot calculate. If you know the value of n, then only you can calculate. Okay. So this is a general formula to find the total measure of angles of any polygon with side n. That is n minus 2 into 180. If it is 100 sides, then 100 minus 2, that is 98 into 180. If there are 1000 sides, then 1000 minus 2 into 180. Now question number 5 is, what is a regular polygon? What is a regular polygon? We have already discussed. The regular polygon is a polygon which has all its sides of equal length. So what is a regular polygon? A polygon which has all its sides of equal length. And all its angles of equal measures is called a regular polygon. That means a polygon in which all its sides will be of equal length and its all angles will be of equal measures. Then that polygon is called a regular polygon. Naturally, when the sides are of equal sides or equal length, then all the angles will be of equal measures. Okay. Now name the regular polygons of side 3. If there is a polygon with 3 sides, what is it called? It is called a triangle. Now if all the 3 sides are equal, then it is called, what is it called? An equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a regular polygon with all three sides equal. Okay. Now, if it is a polygon with four equal sides, what is it called? You know it. It is called a square. And if it is a polygon with six sides, it is called a hexagon. And when the sides are all equal, then it is called a regular hexagon. If it is five sides, then it is called a regular pentagon. And if it is of 10 sides, then it is called a regular decagon. For all those, we just add a word regular. Regular means all the sides are equal, all the angles are equal. That's all for today. The remaining questions we will do in the next class. Thank you.